Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of t if we have a 17 plus t is equals to t and we solve this problem for all the values of t. So here first we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So here the reason of solving this problem for two methods is that if in your exam the question statement is that you just find the roots of this equation, or you just find the values of t in this equation. So the answer of this type of question is our first method. And if your question statement is that you just determine the solution of this equation, so then you can just directly move towards our second method. So I hope so you like both of these methods. And now here the very first thing we are going to do in the first method is that we need to take a squaring on both of the sides. So when you apply squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as 17 plus t whole square is equals to t square. And further in the next step, we use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So this is our nice formula, and you see here this is the our a, and this value is our b. So according to the below formula, we expand our left hand side of this equation as in this form. So after applying this formula, it will becomes here 17 square plus 2 times of a is 17 into b is t and plus b square. So here our b is t square, and this whole equation is equals to t square. So further you see here our target is to find the root of this equation, or we find the values of t. So that's why we need to move this t square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as this is 17 square plus 2 times of 17 becomes here 34 times of t plus this is t square. And when we move this plus t square in the left hand side, it will becomes minus t square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So this is the negative t square and this is the positive t square are cancelled out by each other, and here we will get this is a 17 square and plus this is over 34t, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here our target is to find the values of t. So that's why we move all the other terms to the right hand side. So here we have this is plus 17 square, and we move this to the right hand side, and it will be written as 34 times of t is equals to minus 17 square. And now here in the next step, for the values of t, we need to remove this 34 from left hand side. So that's why we divide both of the sides by 34. So when we divide by 34, it will be written as the 34 times of t divided by 34 is equals to this is minus times of 17 square, and this 17 square means that we multiply 17 with 17 and it is divided by 34. So here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this 34 is cancelled out by this 34, and we get here t is equals to this is 17 times of 2 becomes here 34, and we obtain here minus 17 divided by 2. So this is the value of t which we get here in the first method. So if your question is that you just find the root or you just find the value of t, then you can just do this question up to this value. But here we need to verify the solution. So that's why for verification of the solution, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is 17 plus t is equals to t. So this is the our given question statement, and here we need to substitute this value of t on both of the sides of this equation, and we check its behavior. So we have 17 plus the value of t is minus 17 divided by 2 is equals to minus 17 divided by 2. So here we need to take the LCM of this term, and its LCM becomes here 2. So this is 2 times of 17 becomes 34, and this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and this plus times minus becomes minus, and this is our 17 is equals to minus 17 divided by 2. And further we have 34 minus 17 becomes here 17 divided by 2 is equals to minus 17 divided by 2. This shows that both of the sides are equal. When we choose here, this shows that both of the sides are not equal, because this is the positive value and this is the negative value. So these are not equal, or in other words, we just say that it is not possible. So if this is not possible, it means that the value of t equals to minus 17 over 2 is not satisfied our given question statement. So if this is not satisfied, so we conclude about that t is equals to minus 17 divided by 2 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root, and it is not solution. So you see here we cannot get any other value of t which is satisfied our given question statement. So that we conclude about the solution part of this question is that this question has no solution, because we cannot get any other value of t. So this is the final conclusion about the solution of this question from first method, and now here we again solve this problem for second method. And in the second method we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is 17 plus t is equals to t. So this is the second method. So in the second method we directly conclude about the solution set of this question. We don't need to get or find the any root of this equation, okay, or any value of t. So that's why we just do solve this problem directly. And here we move this plus t to the right hand side, and it will become 17 is equals to t minus t, and we will get here 17 equals to this negative t and positive t are gone, and we get here 0. So you see here 17 is not equals to 0, or in other words we say that it is not possible that 17 is equals to 0. So here this means that we cannot get any value of t which is satisfied our given question statement, which means that this question has no solution. And you see here from both of these two methods we conclude about that this question is no solution, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.